Okay, hello everyone. Guys, we're going to go over the two puzzle pieces in this top green folder. Again, this is today's folder, day 20. It's the last day of new material. All right, this is right before Thanksgiving, the week of Thanksgiving. All right, let's go in the top green folder. Start with this notes assignment, and we'll do both puzzle pieces. I'll preview like this. Okay, they're talking about households consume more electricity when the weather is warmer. That's because we're all running our air conditioning. It's modeled by this equation right here. There's the equation. All right, X is the average daily temperature. Y is the average amount of electricity consumed. And here's a graph. All right, using the model, how much electricity would be consumed if the average daily temperature was 69 degrees Fahrenheit? All right, oops, I don't know if that's the answer. Let's find out. 69 is right before 70. Come up here to 70. A little less than, looks like about 38. I'm going to take that one right there. Just again, I'm lining up here 69 on the bottom where the temperature is. Go up to where the blue line is. It's right about here. I'm right about 38, okay? Same problem. According to the model, how much electricity would be consumed if the average daily temperature was 90 degrees Fahrenheit? Uh-oh, this only goes up to 85. So just keep going a little bit more. A little more, right about up here. Where would we be? A little more than 46? I'm thinking it's 47. Well, number 3, same problem. According to the model, how much electricity be consumed? The average daily temperature was 50 degrees. All right, well, it goes down to 55. Well, here's 50. So if it was 50, it's a little bit 34, 32, 30, maybe a little less than 30. Maybe 30, though. Maybe right at 30. That's what I'm going to say. Our last one is the hardest problem. I'm not going to give you the answer for this one. I want you to do it. Same situation. I want to know the average temperature is 105 degrees. If it's really hot, 105 degrees, that's way up off the chart. You know, what I want you to do is use this formula right here. Put it in your calculator. Take 105 degrees, 105, and put it where the X is, right there. So 105 times 0.446. And then once you get that answer, add 7.22. Whatever answer you get, it's going to be up here. It's going to be way up here somewhere, 46, 48, 50 something maybe, 54 maybe. I don't know what it is, guys. Put in your calculator and find out, okay? Let's look at the next one. Again, we just did this notes. Let's go to the summary. All right. This is just one of those where you say it's positive, no correlation, or negative. Every problem. This is going up. Boom. Up like this. See this? That's positive. All right. Oh boy. They're all over the place. That's nothing. There's no line I can draw in there. It's all over the place. No correlation. This one's coming down like this. Down like this. Negative. Look at the line. If I drew a line down like this. Okay. There's nothing there. They're all over the place. No correlation. I'll just stop marking the answers. You guys can get them. Look at this one. Down like this. See that? Down like this. You can see it. Number 6, guys. It's still down. Don't let these here mess you up, or this little line. If we drew a line with equal points on the top and the bottom of the line, above and below. It would look like this. Okay? All over the place. There's no line in there. Okay, again, this one's still going up. Still going up. The line would be something like, kind of like right here would be the line. All right? You decide. Last one. Still coming like this, guys. Okay? Still something up like this. All right? I think you probably do pretty well with those. Try not to give you all the answers. Okay, guys, that's it. Don't forget to come to the that second Zoom meeting. It's going to be important here today. All right, it's the only place that you're going to get that vocabulary answer is in the Zoom meeting. All right, that's it. Thanks.